Hadian balami ka jing Byrngem na MLA na West Karbi Anglong bagi paidbah na kisnong kapot ha block 2 kibadang ha papo kamahati constituency bakim day ban mi let tap vote ha ka election MLA arja arpulai kapan long ha ka arpnyo tarik mentau benai rempang kalapun long yo deputy commissioner Kyrwoh district u arpet upadhyay ban pynjur ki bor pahara ha block 2 kabadang day ka jaka ya ka ja kapot ha prang ka jela Assam bat Meghalaya Kani kajing pynjur bor pahara kalong na kabenta ban wan ra jing sngan bat yat nanti kajing tap vote ki paidbah na kita kisnong kapot u deputy commissioner Kyrwoh district oleh thu bola dap panyakran ru halor kani bat u deputy commissioner ka West Karbi Anglong bat lapha jing thoru show chief secretary ka jilla Meghalaya khnang panyakran bo chief secretary ka jilla Assam.
So recently one report was received by the office of DEO in which one MLA from West Karbi Anglong was found to give a speech, and he was saying that voters from block 2 area will not be allowed to enter inside Meghalaya or to give cast their votes as in the Meghalaya assembly elections. As soon as the matter came to light, the office of DEO I discussed with the counterpart, the deputy commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, and the matter was brought to their light, and it was requested that a serious action should be taken. And immediately the matter was flagged to the office of CEO and the chief secretary of Meghalaya. Based on that, the chief secretary of Meghalaya had written officially to the chief secretary of Assam also, and the CEO office also got into touch with the CEO of Assam, and I also talked to the DC there. After that, serious action was taken, and it was told to me that the DC and SP of West Karbi Anglong summoned the concerned MLA, and then he was warned about the illegal statement that he has given, and that he should refrain from giving such kind of statements in public. This is against the RP Act, and also there is a Supreme Court ruling in which is regard to the polling stations which are in the border areas, and as per that ruling a status quo has to be maintained, and that there should be no change, and no one can stop the voter if the name is there in the electoral rolls. So based on that, a series of meetings were also held earlier by the district administration from both the sides, in which all the local people, the headmen of those areas, were called and their views were taken. And time and again we keep on doing regularly meeting with them, with the headmen of the block 2 areas, the people of the block 2 areas. We keep on having their discussions with them, and every time it has come to the knowledge that people, they have given this also, that people from outside generally try to take advantage of this situation, and these kind of rumors are there, fake news are also there. So based on this, the district administration, the office of DEO and the office of SP have taken sufficient steps to ensure there is enough security provisions are there, and in that a large number of forces, sufficient number of forces from Meghalaya Armed Police and from CAPF have been deployed in the area. They are doing regularly the foot patrolling, the area domination, and restoring confidence in the people. And as far as security is concerned, there is no issue, and there is no atmosphere of fear, fear or something like that. Everyone people know that the way they have voted in past, they will vote this time also, and the office of DEO or the office of CEO are committed that no voter will be left behind. And it is also my humble appeal to the people not to believe in any kind of fake news or rumors. Anyone who is mandated by right to vote will be allowed to vote. There will be no hindrance, and there will be no security concerns. We have been assured by the district administration of West Karbi Anglong district also, and by the senior officials at the highest level have assured that there will be no hindrance. There will be completely smooth conduct of elections, and people will come and exercise their votes and all. And I would also like to say that anyone who is found spreading any kind of fake news or rumors or creating an atmosphere of unnecessarily to creating an atmosphere of fear that can impact the conduct of free and fair elections or a smooth election, then action will be taken against that person accordingly. Thank you.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, corruption-free Meghalaya, by bringing in new transparency law against corruption with total transparency in all state government dealing.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kani ka scheme on pen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khat hajating kashi snap shaki kinthei haman laki long yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka apnyo terek urumpang John ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
BJP promises to empower the people of Meghalaya by implementing the 7 Pay Commission for all government employees and formulating an anti-corruption task force. This 27th February, vote for a stronger BJP for a stronger Meghalaya.